Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad from your garden using an easy method. First, choose a sunny spot in your yard that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Next, select varieties of salad greens that are known for being simple to grow, like loose-leaf lettuce, spinach, or arugula. Prepare your garden bed by loosening the soil and mixing in some good quality compost. This enriches the soil and provides essential nutrients for your plants. When planting, ensure you space your seeds or seedlings about 2 to 4 inches apart, depending on the variety, to give them room to grow. Water your garden regularly, especially during dry spells, keeping the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Keep an eye out for common garden pests and use organic methods to protect your young plants. A light feeding with a balanced liquid fertilizer every few weeks will also encourage robust growth. Once your greens are ready, typically in about 3 to 4 weeks, it's time to harvest. For most salad greens, simply snip or pick the outer leaves, allowing the inner leaves to continue growing. This method, called cut and come again, ensures a continuous supply of fresh salad. Harvest frequently to encourage more growth. Always wash your freshly picked greens thoroughly under cool water to remove any dirt or small insects. Now for the best part, making your salad. Combine a variety of your freshly harvested greens for a mix of textures and flavors. Feel free to add other garden vegetables you might have, like cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, or bell peppers. A simple homemade vinaigrette with olive oil, vinegar, and a pinch of salt and pepper is all you need. Enjoy the incredible taste of a salad made entirely from your own garden.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.